Welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We're here in Icmeler. I'm outside Mint Bar. The most authentic Italian. So yeah, you've seen the cocktails from here before?
Yeah.
You've got a dive DJ on and you've got a band just starting up at the moment. So yeah, it's going to be some live music.
Yes, of course. We have a live music as well.
Live music as well, that's brilliant. Oh, okay.
Very
right.
good.
Well, guys, if you're down here in Icmeler, make sure you come down to the Mint. Thank you very much, yeah? See you soon. So yeah, come down to Mint, get your steaks, get your Italian food. But we've got Liverpool vs Bournemouth on. Liverpool winning 2-0. So yeah, oh yeah, it's a masala. We do have to try an Indian one time. £14 for, what was it, 3 courses? It's very nice. Very nice. But yeah. I think it is 4 courses, yeah, for 15. It's very good. Got your traditional rugs in there as well. Nah, it's a very good deal. Very good deal. Right, let's keep going. This one looks like a little cafe. Yeah, Star Cafe. Very good. Hello.
Busy one.
Busy.
See you in Star.
Yes. Oh yeah, you see them, look, Bob Marley up there. So yeah, they make an effort on their clothes. Oh, he can be like Lewis. Ferrari. You got YOLO. YOLO Steakhouse. Oh, very nice, very nice. So yeah, make sure you come down to YOLO. It's very nice. So, if you want to look there, the exchange rates. So that's £1 for every 54. 54 for a pound, eh? Right, so up there you got Corsa. Went up there in the daytime. We went, that's the way back round. You follow that, it takes you round to the beach. So, let's make a decision and go this way. We've got to circle back in the end. We've got to get down to the bar for about 10:30. It's about, what time is it now? It's been about 9:45 or?
Yeah, just
9:45, okay. So yeah.
lots of the clothes stores still open, so if you do want to do your late night shopping, you can.
You can, yes. Definitely you can. So across the road there you've got Istanbul, traditional Turkish food, and pasta. So yeah.
4 for 20, like you said, that seems to be going
Yeah.
nice and big one, that one.
So that's £5 each again, so that's very good. Very good. That's a massive one, yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely massive. What's it called? Best bargain buys. Very good. What we got down there? A little bar. Well, we've got the races going past us. Whoa! So we got more bags. Again, the best bargains, the same shop. The same shop. Hello. Everything for £10, yeah? Very good. Sabrina's gonna have a look at bags. But this is not a bag show, so let's keep going. This is not a shopping show. But you can see Wagwan. It looks like a little cafe over there. Look at this cafe. And again, Alibaba's. Bazaar, very nice. Oh, you've got everything in this one, not just clothes. Everything. Sunglasses, 1 for 13. 1 for 13. It's not too bad price. Ooh, very nice, very glitzy. Let's keep going. The football tops. She's got the wrong one in her hand though. It's not Newcastle. If you've seen Living the Dream, they love a bit of Newcastle. Oh, additional tea there. Oh. Everyone's chilling out on their tea. Yeah. So yeah, Living the Dream. They just come back from, where was you? Torremolinos for Julie's birthday. Hope she had a lovely time. They love Newcastle. Dave's always in his Newcastle top. But we don't like Newcastle because I'm Southampton and Sabrina's Tottenham. So yeah, Okay, you got Lineker's here, and then you got the magic jackets across the road. Okay, so you got the Macarena playing, which is great for more copyright music. So we're going to talk up a little bit. On the corner over there, you have Oscar's Bar. Very nice, rammed, absolutely rammed. Oscar's is. Oh, you got a live person on in there as well, playing guitar. Whole band actually. Very cool, very cool. Right, so Lineker's. We have to talk up because Macarena is what everyone wants to do on holiday. So they will do the Macarena. Yeah, the Macarena. Look at everybody loving it. Might have to have some better music for this part. Everyone's switching to me. So yeah, come on down to Lineker's if you want to do a Macarena. Seems to be all the rage. It's not really for me. Got a Park Hotel across the road as well. Got paper for kids. So, little doner kebab. I don't think there's much more down here, I don't think. But I can circle round. So let's circle round. Yeah, Migros, that's the shopping, what's it called? Supermarket. And you've got the tattooist here as well. So yeah, the nice big doggy, yeah, lovely dog. Lovely dog. So yeah, restaurant looks a bit dead. Let's get you guys straightened out. For some reason it's going a bit wonky there. So if I remember much, there wasn't much more down here. But you take a right, and it takes you back to where we walked from. So we're going to do that.
It's like big circle.
Big circle. Yep. This one's closed down. Nice supermarket. Okay, so you have a few bars down here. Let's have a little look. Yeah, not more quieter. Wonder if the bars are open. We walked past here in the daytime and the bars are closed down this road. Let's have a look, because they have to open in the evening. So yeah guys, if you can all like the video, share with your family and subscribe, because 90% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, but you love to watch our videos, so please subscribe. This road looks quite dead. I mean, this little place here is open. It smells like fire. Or burnt food, one of the two. Yeah. Yeah, everyone just winding down this road. So, there's one bar down here though, I wanted to see if it was open. Went past it in the daytime. And it was closed. But it looks like it's open actually. Okay. So let's see if the people are in it. Very much a residential part, this bit. Very nice places. Yeah. Yeah, everyone needs to go sleep at some point. He just whizzed past me, didn't he? Yeah. Fucking loved it, didn't he? Little prick. Anyway. See, I've got a cameraman, so. Nice little restaurant. I thought this was going to be a bar, but it's a nice restaurant. So they're very nice. Reminds me a bit of Greece.
That's my favourite village.
Yep.
That's right.
Yeah. Okay, calf bar there. Doesn't look like it's open anyway. And we've got one more down here. Ooh, blind us, blinding for the light, blinding for the light. Don't know if you needed to do that, but you know. So you've got a little convenience shop, and you've got the Club Celine Hotel with this nice bar and restaurant. I think the last time we came we had a lot of English. We were staying in Marmaris though, so maybe Marmaris is more tailored towards the English, but more locals this or Turkish. Yeah, this is the one that came past. It looked like it was a bit closed, but yeah. How much is a beer in this one? Let's have a quick look at the price for a beer. I can't even see because it's put that bright light in my face. What does it say? I can't even see what that says. Vodka gin, $2.50. Okay.
YouTube.
YouTube. Yeah.
Which one? You are English?
Yeah, English. Yeah.
What part of
Switzerland, not Switzerland. Swindon. Swindon.
YouTube camera,
YouTube. Yeah.
and you come from England, though.
That's right. Yeah.
What
Yeah.
part?
Swindon. Swindon. Bristol. Yeah. Yeah.
Down
I
here.
lost money for
Come and join
Yeah.
us.
I'm betting, man.
Come on, come on.
Come on then.
What's your YouTube?
She will do it for you. Go on.
Go on tours.
Right.
1 minute.
Let's end the video here. So guys, thank you very much for looking in.
Can you write
Oh, you write this minute. Go on. Go on. You can write it. So we're in. What's the bar's name? What's the bar's name?
What is it diyor abi?
What's the name of the bar?
Richmeler.
Rich.
This is Icmeler.
No, I know Icmeler. Yeah. But,
Richmeler means rich means
oh, Richmeler.
rich means
Ah.
yeah, you know rich.
Yeah.
Richmeler.
Richmeler. Okay.
But we are poor, eh?
Some time ago, I was rich.
Yeah. And then you came to Icmeler and
I was in Buckingham Palace.
really.
I
Wow.
came from Buckingham Palace.
Wow. Very good. Very nice.
No, it's
What?
true.
It's true.
Yes.
He's from Buckingham Palace, yeah. So let's end the vlog here for you guys. So thanks for tuning in, guys. We're in Richmeler Bar. We're gonna have one quick drink with these guys. And as you can see, Richmeler. So yeah, make sure you come down there and cheers for tuning in.